So if you look at the DNA structure, it's made up of nucleotides. Can you recognize 1 out of 3 your nitrogenous bases? Can you recognize your nitrogenous bases? Yes. 2 ring, is that adenine or guanine, or is that purine or pyrimidine? That is purine, and this is A for adenine. That's a purine adenine. This is a pyrimidine thymine. So you see, you have your nitrogenous base. What's in the middle? What's right after the nitrogenous base? What do we have? The sugar, the ribose sugar. This is DNA, so it's deoxyribose. And lastly, what's in yellow? The phosphate group. So one strand is made up of multiple nucleotides. Remember when we were talking about the sugars, we said sugars are hooked together. Glucose and glucose are connected together by a bond to make maltose. Glucose and galactose are connected together with a bond to make lactose. Glucose and fructose are connected together by a bond to make sucrose. What's the name of the bond? Glycosidic bond. And we said amino acid and amino acid are connected together by a bond known as peptide bond. Now, if you see these nucleotides, that's the first nucleotide. That's the second nucleotide. Each nucleotide is connected with a bond with the phosphate. What's the name of that bond called? I'm sorry? Nucleic bond. That's creative, but it's not nucleic bond. Called phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bond. Okay, so if you examine here, you see each strand has many nucleotides and they are connected by the phosphodiester bond. So how are the two strands connected now? They are connected by this dotted line. These dotted bonds represent what? Hydrogen bonds. So you need to remember that adenine and thymine connect with how many bonds? 2. What kind of bond? Hydrogen bonds. Guanine and cytosine are connected to each other by how many bonds? 3. What kind of bond? Now the other bonds between the nitrogenous base and the sugar and the phosphate bond, and the sugar and the phosphate bond below it, all of the other bonds on the other side. What kind of bonds are those? Nope, phosphodiester are here. These are the phosphodiester between phosphate and the others. I'm talking about all the nature of the bond. Are they ionic or covalent?